Straight ahead now. Smile. You just want it. Hey, go straight ahead.
Who said that?
Hey. Look at the top, please. Hey. I'm here in the corner. Look at the top.
Barry, round your way. Look out, look out. I'm going around.
Bring it closer to you. Bit closer, bit closer. Bit closer. And then let's go. Let's go.
Inspiring and encouraging to hear that somebody of care experience has been nominated for an Oscar. I mean, we start life with odds stacked against us, so it's really reaffirming to hear these success stories. I feel like it can help channel our pain and turn it into power and help us to motivate us to follow our dreams. And it's also good to have these conversations to create the awareness and reduce any stigmas that people growing up in care might face.